In a particular electorate, 65% of the voting population do not own any property. It is also known that 55% of property owners support the Progressive Conservatives Party, but only 40% of the non-property owners support this party. Construct a two-way table to display this information. So our table should look something like this. So I'm going to put own their property here and don't own, like so. And then up the top here, I'm going to put vote for the Progressives and don't vote Progressive. Now, think about what we were told in the question. 65% of the voting population do not own any property. So we can work in percentages or decimals. We're just going to go with percentages, 65%. And that means that 35% must own because that needs to add up to 100%. Now, it's also known that 55% of property owners support the Progressive Conservatives Party. So that's 55% of this 35%. So we can do 0.55, 55% of the 35, and that would give us 19.25%. And then to get the value that's in this square, we're going to do 35 times the 19.25. That will give us 15.75%. So on the other hand, 40% of the non-property owners support the party. So to get the value in here, we need to do 0.4 times 65, and we'll find that that is 26. And then 65 take away 26 makes this 39. So that means we get 45.25 down here. These are all percentages, of course. And 54.75% here. Okay. Find the probability that a randomly selected voter from this electorate does not own property if you know that they support the Progressive Conservative Party. Round your answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so they support the party. So we're only looking at the people down here. So now we want don't own a property, which is going to be this value. So our probability is going to be 26 divided by 45.25. And if we do that, we get 0.57 to 2 decimal places.